Hi, Pauline here, Child Self-Esteem Coach, and you're here today because you're wondering what you can be doing for your child who's either having tantrums or, for older children, emotional meltdowns. First of all, it's really important you understand what is going on within your child's body so you then can understand how and why these techniques work so well. So if your child is having these constant meltdowns, then you need to be aware they are very sensitive to the energy around them. That is, the energy that's in their environment or residue energy that other people have left behind. You will find these meltdowns are triggered when they are in environments where there are a lot of people around, such as shopping centres or supermarkets. And for older children, sitting in a classroom with 30 other kids or travelling on the bus or train home where they're sitting in these confined areas with a lot of other people around them will intensify this energy build-up. And what is happening in your child's body is all this energy that's around them from others is actually bombarding their nervous system. And because they have no way of cleansing and clearing this energy in the moment, their nervous system becomes inflamed and overloaded, and their body detects this as an emergency situation. And guess what? It flips the nervous system into fight and flight. And especially for younger children between the ages of 2 to 6 years old, their nervous system has not fully developed yet. So you can only imagine how traumatic this is for them. And as a result, a tantrum or emotional outburst is their way of ridding their body of this energy that feels so overwhelming and really uncomfortable. In older children, this may present them coming home from school feeling frustrated, annoyed, overwhelmed, and not sure why. Now let's just take a little detour here because, Mum, this can trigger you when your child is having these emotional meltdowns every day. It can bring up the feelings of people will think I'm a bad mum or what is everyone thinking about me. Please know that this is not a reflection on whether you are a good mum. In this instant, we want to put the spotlight on your child. When you can put your stuff aside, you won't be triggered. And the best way to do that is to put your spotlight on your child for this moment. And this will help you to become grounded and focused in the present moment now, and to be able to give to your child what they really need from you. They need your acknowledgement and support. If you can say something like, I see that you're upset or angry or frustrated, when you're ready, let me know and we can breathe together. By acknowledging their emotions, it's the first step to allowing this to pass really quickly and for your child to feel safe and heard. Now I'll give you a quick energy technique to help. This technique is called the neurovascular calming hold. And what you'll do is when your child is actually in a quiet time, you'll introduce this technique to them, where you'll place their hand on your forehead and a hand behind the back of their neck. And breathe. And what this is actually doing is when your child is in fight and flight, the blood actually leaves the forebrain and travels to the extremities. And so what we want to do is bring that blood back into the forebrain to help to calm them down. It will help to stimulate the parasympathetic nervous system, which is the calming nervous system, and the breath will assist that as well. So even just doing this, it really does calm you down, and it will help your child to feel really safe. When they're feeling safe, they will calm down. So that is a great technique that you can actually ask your child in a quiet moment to give them permission for you to hold these points when they're having this meltdown, and for you to actually acknowledge their emotions, what's going on for them, will actually help their emotion to flow through their body, which is just energy, much quicker. So I'm sure you have gained some value from this video. So I will leave a link in the comments, which will give you an opportunity to spend 30 minutes with me for free to discuss what is going on for your child. I look forward to chatting with you soon.